Now we're going to look at this problem, and I've given you an example from the book and the way that they worked it, but I want you to see how it works on our calculators. The first thing that I would do in any kind of good algebra is I would divide both sides by this 400,000 and make my problem smaller and make it easier to deal with on the calculator. So I would just take my calculator and I would punch in 100,000 divided by 400,000 and 400,000 on this side, and this would make things a lot smaller. So this is 1/4, which is 0.25, and now my problem looks like this. Now the problem that we have is right now at this point in time you do not know how to solve exponential equations. We're going to learn how to do that, but until you do learn how to do that, what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to put this stuff on your calculator. So we have this equation, 0.25 equals 1.0325 raised to the 2t, and we're trying to get t by itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over and put this on our calculators. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that and we're going to put it in our calculator like we're graphing. So I'm going to clear out what I've got, and I'm going to put one side of the graph for one line and the other side of the graph for the other line, which was 1.0325 raised to the 2. And there's no t on your calculator really, it's just a variable key. So you're going to go up here to the variable key and hit it. Then you're going to hit graph. And what you're looking for is where these two intersect. Now, on the calculator, as long as you can see where it intersects, the calculator will find it for you. So after it finishes graphing, what you want to do is hit zoom, and then we're going to go into standard, or you can also go into zoom fit. I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to go into zoom fit, and then what it does is it shows you on the screen where these two graphs fit together. And once it finishes graphing, and you can still see, we can't see where it crosses. We can see a better view of the graph, but we can't see where it crosses. So you're going to hit zoom, and then you're going to just keep zooming out until you see where it crosses. Because that's our goal. We want to be able to see where this crosses, and I'm starting to see where it crosses now. It crosses right here. So once it finishes graphing, we're going to go in and we're going to use the calc function on the calculator and hit second calc intersect. And we're going to let the calculator do the work for us. And notice it's blinking on this first blue line, and that's the first curve. That's what it's asking. It's saying, is this one okay? And you're going to hit enter for yes. Blinking on the other one, and you're going to hit enter for yes. It's going to say, would you like us to guess where it crosses? And we're going to say yes. And it says the intersection is negative 21.67233 at y equals 0.25. Now remember, y equals 0.25 was one of our lines that we graphed. So this is the actual answer. So your calculator gives you the answer for these once we get them graphed.